Hi, hello, namaste. This is Likita. Welcome back to my channel Likita's Creation. ఏంటి ఈ సెటప్ ఏంటి అనుకుంటున్నారా? Yes, today's video is going to be about microgreens.
I request you all to watch the video until the end as I'll be showing you how to use microgreens to prepare salad.
Today I'm going to show you two different kinds of microgreens. Very soon I'll also be sharing a video about the complete and detail and importance of the microgreens. So here are the microgreens. One is methi and the other one is mustard. So I'll be showing you all the propagation of the microgreens. So let's watch the video.
Choose any kind of container that you want to grow the microgreens. I have used the container which is a plastic tray that I have got when I bought the mushroom. So I have reused the plastic tray. I have taken a 3 or 2 inches of mud, a layer of mud, and then I have sprinkled mustards. Again I have covered the seeds with a layer of mud. In the same way you need to do with the methi seeds. Sprinkle the methi seeds on the mud and then cover the methi seeds with a layer of mud. After this process, sprinkle water on the seeds. This is the first day procedure. After that, on the third day, I have seen these sprouts coming out. It looks so cute, right? Now I'll be showing you the process how to water or spray the microgreens. So this is how you need to spray the microgreens. As they are very delicate, you need to be very careful when you're pouring the water. This is the 4th day look of the plants. You can see the changes of the growth of the microgreens. And these microgreens which I have choose are very easy to propagate and they grow very fast. So one day I forgot to water the plant on the right time, so the mustard seeds have become like that. But do not worry, once you pour water, they'll come back to their original position. They look so fresh. It feels so happy when you grow food and eat them. These are the chili plants and we also have mint plant in our house. Day 8. This is how my microgreens look like. There will be an emotional bonding with the plants. Did you ever feel that?
That is how you need to grow the microgreens, and it's very important to take care of the microgreens while they are propagating. As they are very delicate, we need to handle them with care. So it's also very important to water the microgreens. So you should not pour water, you need to spray water. So as I'm not in a position to go out and buy a spray bottle, I have used the bottle. This is a tomato sauce bottle. So I have used this bottle. On the cap I have put few holes. So I'll be showing you how to water the plants. So this is how you need to pour water. So this is how you need to spray water. It's very important to consume the microgreens in our daily life, as the microgreens are very nutritious and very rich in proteins. It improves our digestive system and metabolism, and the most important thing is it builds our immunity. So now I'll be showing you how to cut the microgreens. So for that we need bowls and a scissor. First I'll be showing you all how to cut the mustard microgreens. So let's get started to cut the microgreens. This is how the microgreens look. I hope you are able to see. Yeah, this is how it looks. We can either cut the microgreens or just pull or plug them out. So I'll be showing you how. See, I have plugged it. You can just plug them.
And guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I request you to please go ahead and subscribe, which will motivate me to do more videos like this. And also please give me a big thumbs up if you like this video.
You can also cut them. I'll be showing you all that process also. You need to catch them on the top and just trim them.
So I have did this in the time slab.
So I have observed something here. So if you see this, I have used a tray, a plastic tray. So as there are rounds below, the roots are also grown in that way. I'll be showing you all. I hope it's visible. This is how the roots took their shape. Oh.
I have cut the microgreens on the 8th day. You can also cut them on 6th day.
I have cut the microgreens and they are ready. You need to just wash them and you can add them in salads as a toppings, and also you can add them in any kind of curries that you wish. I'll be showing you how to add this microgreens in salads. I'll also add that in this video.
Let's see how to prepare the salad. I have taken few sprouts, mint and coriander, chilies, tomato pieces, onions, carrot, chaat masala, pepper powder, salt, lemon, microgreens, olive oil. Let's start the process. You need to chop all the ingredients very finely. First, I have taken sprouts. Add chopped tomatoes, chopped onions, add chilies, carrot, coriander and mint. Now add the microgreens. You can chop the microgreens as well. My hands are clean and sanitized. Now add lemon. You can also add keera, a pinch of salt, chaat masala and pepper can be according to your taste. And now you need to add olive oil. It can be like 1 tablespoon or less than that. Olive oil is optional. After adding all the ingredients, you need to mix them well. Mix everything properly. Chaat masala, salt, lemon and pepper should be mixed properly so that it will be equally spreaded. And now the salad is ready to serve. Take a bowl and transfer the sprouts or the salad to the different bowl. And now the salad is ready to serve. Isn't it looking so yummy? And guys, it's not only looking yummy, but I promise it was so tasty. It's so easy to prepare and it's really very healthy. You can have it in the dinner, as a snack, or as a lunch or breakfast.
I hope this video was useful. In case if it is, like, share, subscribe and comment below, and do not forget to click on the bell icon. I'll be waiting to see you all in the next video. Until then, bye bye.